Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Magic Mini by Juvias Place palette that I just got recently, and I'm thinking of using this shade here, which it's like a dark purple. It looks almost blue, but it's purple, and I'm either going to do a smoky eye using this color, or I'm going to do a halo eye and adding this one in the center of the lid. So we're going to see, because I also want to use these glitters from bulkglitters.com. I have this purple one, which is called Purple Moon. And that's the name of it. And then I also have this chunky glitter, which is called Magellan Spark. And there you see, that's that one. And it's really pretty. It's like, you can see like a chunky iridescent glitter. I've used this one in the inner corner, and it's really, really pretty. So let's see what I come up with. The first color I'm going to be going into will be this shade called Cassie, which it's like a cream color, and I'm going to be adding that all over the lid just to set the concealer that I already have on. And the concealer that I have is the Anastasia one, this concealer in 2.0, which is just this one, and it's the one that I use to clean up my brows. So I just went ahead and, you know, put it on my lid, and so now I'm going to be setting it with this shade here. And I'm going to be using this brush here from YLLashes, and that's what it looks like. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so just to let y'all know, all the pink brushes you see me using are from the brand YL Cosmetics. Okay, so now I have this cream colored shade all over the lid. Now what I'm going to be doing is I will be going into the shade Ify, or Ify, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's going to be this color here, with this blending brush that you see here, also from YLLashes. Now what I'm going to be doing is, without getting any more product, I'm going to be blending this shade up out here, blending it out. So I'm going to be bringing this towards this side, and the same blending this towards this side. So it's just gonna, you know, be bringing the color back and forth without adding any product. Okay, so as you saw, all I'm doing is circular motions to bring that color, you know, back and forth on here on the crease. And after I do this, I'm just going to be going in with another brush. It's going to be the same one, just a clean one, to better blend out this harsh line up here. So as you can see, now it's more blended out on this area. I am going to be going in and adding more of this color here just to darken it up. But this is what you want it to look like. If you see that yours is not coming out the same way, it's because you are not blending enough. And obviously I cannot, you know, film my whole blending process because the video would be really, really long. But yes, I blend a lot as well. And I do that because that's how we are going to end up with this result. Because if you don't, then you're going to end up with something like this that's overly, you know, well, yeah, that it's not as blended out as you see here. It's more harsh. So you have this line here. And if you see that, you know, the color isn't as dark as the way we started, don't worry. I always do this as well. You just go in and add more. And then go ahead and do these steps once again. The reason I use my finger to blend out here in the corners is just a bit easier for me, and it's easier for me to, you know, to work with the color. So basically all I do is I'm bringing in this purple shade towards this shade here, and then bringing this shade towards this dark purple here. So it's just basically I'm just going back and forth like that to mix it on both sides. And then I'm just going to be taking this brush, the one that we added this purple with, and I'm just going to be passing it up here towards the top. And then I think we're pretty much going to be finished. And I was going to add this purple glitter here on these areas right here, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but here the edges of where I added that middle shade, because I blended it out, it kind of looks like purple, bluish. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. What I decided to do is add that chunky glitter here on this part of the eye. That way it gives it a bit more texture and it helps it, you know, bring out this shade a bit more. So I'm gonna do that, and then depending on the way it looks, I'll decide if I'm gonna add it here on the inner corner as well. I totally forgot to show you the liquid lipstick I was using. It's from the brand YLLashes in the color KOKO, and I do have a discount code. It's either Jennifer or Jennifer10. I put on the lashes. This time around, I decided to go for some lashes a bit smaller in size. That way, it doesn't, you know, keep the glitter from showing. You know, you're still able to see it, because if I were to use a larger lash, then it would cover it up and you wouldn't be able to see it. So this time around, I used the brand YLLashes. So this is a little packaging it comes in, and then here's the information. Okay, so since they're no longer in the packaging, well, I can't show you what they look like, but you can always go on their website. It's YLLashusa.mx. That's their Instagram actually, or www.YLLashusa.mx. You're able to see them there, and like I said, it's in the style Sensual. And then also you can see the video I posted before this one. I showed them on there as well. And they do come with a, well, I mean, they don't come with it, but they have these available, which are the lash applicators that you see here in rose gold. And they do come with their little case here. So that's available on their website as well. Okay, but if you want to go ahead and add, you know, a more dramatic lash, then you're more than welcome. So now what I'm going to be doing is just adding the purple that I added here on the bottom lash line and blending that out, and that's pretty much it. So let's get started with that. I totally forgot to show you the brush that I'm going to be blending out that dark shade with, but I'm going to show you a clip towards the end. The brush that I'm applying this highlighter with, it's a Luxie brush, and it's called the Mini Flat. This is the final result. As you can see, it can kind of, I guess, pass for a anti-Valentine's Day look, since it is a bit more grungy, but then you have your like purple tones, which to me, pink and purple are Valentine's Day colors. But yes, I really loved the way the chunky glitter looks. And then also, if you kind of see, this one reflects more than this one. It's just depending on the lighting, the way it hits it. And then also, I'm still working on the lighting. I know I look kind of like, I was looking at clips a minute ago, and like I look like dark in some areas. I don't know why, but I'm still working on the lighting. And yeah, so don't forget, the lashes that I use are from YLLashes. She has just recently put up new styles, a bit more dramatic. She has the lash applicators, she has the tweezers, the ones not like these, but they're like the smaller ones, which you can just go in and like, you know, press on the lashes, which I need to try those out because I haven't had the opportunity to try those out. And what else? I think she also came out with a mink collection. So yeah. And then the glitter that I used, it's Magallian Spark from bulkglitters.com. What else do I need to tell y'all? The inner corner highlight, I ended up using the Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit in Forever Lit. But if you don't have this, since it was limited edition, just look for a, you know, kind of white shadow, sparkly shadow. And you can just add that on there. And what I did for it to look more, you know, bright is add some Mario Badescu setting spray. So I added that to it to make it, you know, pop even more. And what else, ladies? Let's see. Oh, yes. So let me tell you about something. Okay, if you're not already subscribed to Influencer, I have a link in my Instagram. Go ahead and, you know, subscribe to that. All you do is basically do reviews on products you have already, you know, maybe purchased in the past. And you are welcome to put anything positive, negative, it does not matter. Any opinion counts for them, because there's products that, I mean, you can go check on my profile. I've put like 1 star and I did not like it and blah, 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 blah. Because I mean, I'm gonna say the truth. That way people don't go and waste their money. So yeah. Okay, so in Thanksgiving, they asked me to share a post, which was just like a sale on Amazon or something like that. And I shared it. I mean, I don't even think anybody like actually liked any of the posts of those posts or like bought anything. It was just me sharing it. So I really didn't think anything of it. I mean, I just shared it just to share it so I can get a badge, because for every activity that you do, you earn a badge, which that leads to having more opportunities for them sending you items. So I mean, you don't necessarily have to do YouTube or you know, do things like I do, like post what is it called, like makeup vlogs on the daily or anything like that. I mean, just as long as you're posting something and sharing with family, friends, it doesn't matter. So yeah, I posted that, and then I ended up receiving an email a couple of days ago saying that I had won because I shared that post. So I guess I was put into a raffle and I won a $100 gift card to Amazon. And I mean, I never won anything, so I was surprised. So yeah, I mean, and with that, I bought like a little ring light stand thing, which I'm using now. That way I can, you know, have the camera right in front of me and not to the side. And then I also bought this little thing back here, this background, and a couple of other things. I mean, it's worth a try. I mean, like, I remember when I first signed up, I didn't get something right away, but just keep trying. I mean, they've sent me L'Oreal lipsticks. They've sent me the Milk Blur Stick, which didn't work out for me. I mean, they'll send you a bunch of things, like different things. And I mean, it's not constant, but I mean, once in a while, I mean, it doesn't hurt to receive something for free, you know? So yeah, ladies, well, this is it. This is the final look. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have any makeup looks that you want me to do for Valentine's Day, let me know as well. And my Facebook is Jennifer Valles. My Instagram is jcouture7. And don't forget to go see my last YouTube video. It's on a pink look. If you haven't watched it, go give it a like. And yeah, ladies, well, I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.